We are going to study about conservation of energy. This topic is included in the chapter Work and Energy in Science, grade 9. We find in nature a number of instances where energy is getting converted from one form to another. Many of the human activities and the gadgets we use also involve conversion of energy from one form to another. Whenever energy gets transformed from one form to another, the total energy remains the same, means it does not change. This is the law of conservation of energy. According to the law of conservation of energy, energy can only be converted from one form to another. It can neither be created nor destroyed. The total energy before and after the transformation remains the same. This law of conservation of energy holds true in all situations and for all kinds of transformations. Let us take an example of an object of mass m. The object is made to fall freely from a height h. So initially the velocity of the object will be 0 because it starts from a stationary position. The potential energy will be mgh and kinetic energy will be 0 because the velocity is 0. The total energy of the object, which is a sum of potential energy and kinetic energy, will be mgh plus 0, which is mgh. When it starts falling, the potential energy will start changing into kinetic energy. If v is the velocity of the object at any time while fall, the kinetic energy would be half mv square. As the object continues to fall, the potential energy would go on decreasing and the kinetic energy would go on increasing. When the object is about to reach the ground or it has almost reached the ground, height will be 0 and velocity will be the highest. Therefore, the kinetic energy would be the largest and potential energy would be the least. So when it starts from the height, initially the potential energy will be the highest and kinetic energy will be the 0. And when it reaches the ground, the kinetic energy will be the largest and potential energy will be the least. But the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy of the object would be the same at all points during the fall, right from the beginning till the end. That is, the potential energy plus kinetic energy is constant, which means mgh plus half mv square is constant. So we can say the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy of an object is the total mechanical energy and it always remains constant. We find that during the free fall of the object, the decrease in potential energy at any point in its path appears as an equal amount of increase in kinetic energy. This means there is continuous transformation of gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy. So here we can see that the law of conservation of mass holds true. One form of energy is getting transformed into another form of energy and the total energy at all time is the same. Thank you.